Hi, my name is Dylan Phillips, and I am a member of the Construction Engineering Technologies program at the University of Akron, better known as the CET program. I'm here to tell you guys all about the fun possibilities that come along with joining the program. So one of the things we pride ourselves with is community involvement, and that is done through the program through various community-oriented projects that we involve ourselves in through various organizations within our degree. So right now I'm currently here in Schrank Hall South in one of the technologies labs, and in this lab we do a couple of classes. The main two are materials testing 1 and 2, and you can kind of see some of the materials we use behind us. Those are some of the sieves and other apparatuses in the bottom. Along with materials testing 1 and 2, we also do construction, residential building construction, and that's some of the materials we use behind us. So we come down here for our laboratories for all 3 of those classes. We spend a lot of time with each other and get to have a lot of fun doing real world stuff that you wouldn't have the chance to get anywhere else. So a lot of the fun stuff we get to do in these labs is involved with doing a lot of hands-on work and spending a lot of time with each other. So in residential building construction, we actually do a lot of framing. Some of this involves framing for walls, roofs. We do some stairwells, openings and doorways, windows, some electrical stuff, you name it, we're going to be doing it. We also get to spend a lot of time with each other, and it involves a great opportunity to network with your fellow students and your teachers. So in materials testing 1 and 2, we do a lot of soils mechanics and concrete testing. So in materials testing 1, we get to test soils to figure out the various properties that the soils hold. And materials testing 2, we do a lot of concrete testing. We actually mix our own concrete and then let it cure and break them to see how changing the various properties of the concrete affect its strength, which is a very neat experience if you ask me. And it's really laid back, and you get to have a lot of fun with your fellow students and academic advisors. So I definitely check it out, and it's something you wouldn't want to miss. One of the various things that our program offers is being able to join the CMA program, and that stands for Construction Managers Association of America. It's a really cool program. I myself am the vice president of the organization, and we do a lot of cool community-oriented things. Like this semester, we have partnered with the Well CDC here in Akron to do a lot of volunteering opportunities and get to help out homes in need here in the Akron area. Another thing that we do is we start off the year with a fall cookout, and everybody is allowed, program or not. They can come and check out the CMA program, and if they would like, they can join. No cost at all. And there's a lot of perks that come along with that, along with the spring break trip that is offered in the springtime. Here I am at the Co-op and Placement Center on the 2nd story of ASEC, which is across the bridge from Schrank Hall North. This is where you'll go for any of your co-op questions you may have pertaining to any future jobs you are looking into, and they will give you any advice onto any of the questions you have, which might entail, what to wear to job interviews, what to ask, how it may affect your scheduling if you're doing it during the school year. So Rachel Gaynor is the person you'll talk to. She's the co-op coordinator for College of Engineering students, and she's a great person, new here to the university, and she'll be able to answer any of the questions you may have.